What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer in Miami, Florida. You want to get credit repair results, you'll know where to contact me, or you could DM me here your email address, and I'll send you my how to start credit repair with hashtag GizzyCredit team info. So you already know, I get the worst of the worst. So this customer came to me, these are results for Equifax, and he had 20 negative accounts on Equifax when he started. And here are his results for September month. As we can see from this credit file, customer had a lot of negative accounts deleted. But most importantly, if we see, all these are federal servicing student loans. Federal student loans, yay. He only has one more negative to go. GizzyCredit coming through for customers like you. So my people, that was a quick video for my Instagram, 1 minute video. We're almost at a minute, 10 seconds. Anyways, more results for people who have student loans. More results for people who have over 20 negative accounts on each bureau. I mean, you know, we're constantly helping people. This customer came to me with 20 negative accounts. Only one account was verified, which you can see right here. And the rest, if we go down the credit report, we will see that other negatives have been removed, like the federal student loan right there has been deleted. So I just want to say, be patient with the process. This customer is around Miami, Florida. A lot of customers from around that way. I love my Jamaicans, Haitians, Spanish people, Cubans from out there who call me to do the credit repair service. This customer right here is Haitian. You already know how Haitian people are. Well, I'm not going to say how they are, but I love them too. Anyways, this is my Haitian brother. Shout out to you. Congratulations on these credit repair results. It's little by little, but look, there are times in where you get a big chunk of negative accounts removed. So good for you. Again, you could contact me at 973-440-8661. You could keep watching and subscribe to my YouTube videos so that you could educate yourself more on how credit works and how it can help you, whether it's credit repair, trade lines, whether it's business credit, business loans, business funding. We could definitely help you guys out. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. GizzyCredit.
Don't get scammed.